motion.
The objective of this experiment is to use the linear air track to investigate the Newton's second law.
The apparatus of this experiment is
air track rail, surrogate, blower, timer, rope, three of wires, pressure tube, glider, flag, masses, mass hanger, and pulley.
First, plotting the graph weight force versus acceleration. Second, what does the graph tell us? Based on the plotted graph, weight force Fn, action, on an object is directly proportional to the acceleration of the object. This relation has shown that how total force will affect the acceleration of the object. Thus, the results support Newton's second law. According to Newton's second law of motion, an object accelerates determined by two variables, which is the force acting on the object and the mass of the object. The acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the weight force acting on it and inversely proportional to its mass. The acceleration of an object increases, however the acceleration decreases as the mass of object increases. Thus, these results support Newton's second law of motion. Discuss any sources of error. The error might occur in the experiment because it's conducted in real life and it will cause random error. Air resistance is the main factor of error. It is because air resistance opposed to the actual velocity, causing the applied force can be slightly less or vice versa than the force required.
Based on the data result that has been collected from table 4.1 shown that the acceleration of an object is directly related between an object and its mass, inversely proportional to the net force. The acceleration of an object occurs when there have force and mass. The graph shown that the force and acceleration are increasing. This occurs when the magnitude is inversely proportional to its mass. To get the total mass of hanger and slotted mazes, the formula must be in M1 equal to M1 plus M2 and the unit must be in kg. Errors might be happen if this experiment is done by real life, which means is human error. So, improvement of this experiment is repeating the experiment until there is no error can be seen.
In conclusion, the purpose of this experiment is to use linear air track to investigate Newton's second law of motion. This experiment proved that when the mass is increased, the acceleration of the object rises. This result also backing the theoretical idea of acceleration. Based on data recorded, the length of flight is 0.1 plus minus 0.1 meter, while mass of hanger is 0.01 plus minus 0.01 kilogram.